Super delicious, guys. I just make a video where I walk through the hall. You can go and watch it. There's a nice coffee shop here where I can tell you so much about this coffee shop and the restaurant upstairs. Maybe in another video, or maybe when I'm finished down, I will come here, take a walk, show you guys before I eat. I have stories about this place because I'm so used to. Okay, so going down, going down. I'm going to have to walk through IKEA 2 times. Guys, it smells so super delicious. Yeah, beautiful small Christmas tree. #9 wine glass. Oh my god. And these things cost 99 krona in IKEA. These ones. Can you imagine? I love them because I cook and film all the time. I should have them. All sizes I should have. Frying pan, forks, knives, spoon, cutting boards. Fishing. Wow, look at all the pots up there. Now, plates. Who remember this? 9 krona IKEA plates. Everybody has had this plate. All of us has had this plate at one point. It's good. It's good. It works. I like the black ones. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. IKEA is just so cheaper than every other thing. When you have little money, low budget, this is the place to go. Sincerely, I love those. Ooh, they're not. Oh, 59. Ancient. That's what I die. Woofy in AI then. He's going to go and look for those balls for me. I want to buy it and hang it on top of our apple tree so you can see it from outside throughout the Christmas. I'm going to do that. That's Hardy? Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Listen back. Guys, look at the colors. That thing I was looking for is killing. My battery is going to die soon. I can see it. I can see. This is so nice. Looks like some designer stuff that I know. But it costs a pretty penny. Almost 300 krona. You have the champagne thing there for a celebration. Okay guys, I just passed the bathroom section. I'm going into an area that I love so much. I wish I can stand and look, but oh no, there's no time. No time to be checking time. And I have to go because this GoPro is so hot. So we just have to keep walking. How many IKEA storage plastic box have you had in your lifetime? If you're like 40, getting to 50, or from 40 or 30 up? Many? I had one just actually break yesterday, but nevertheless, it has been in my house for many years. Very many years. Lambs. I think there is a big hall downstairs. That's where you're going to see more of the Christmas stuff. So there's just a little bit there and there. Look at those princess lamb. Judy, do not buy anything. Welcome back. Welcome back. I need nothing. I have everything. I have too much. If I could sell everything that I have, I will be rich. Oh. Wow. 9 kroner and then this. So it's going to be 100 and something. Not bad. Candles, flowers, 4 flowers. This way. IKEA. Okay. Interesting. Nice. Guys, they always have something on sales. It's a trap. What is this? Nice. Autumn. Okay. Walk. Walk. I am looking forward to see what they have done in their big hall. Just at the corner. They're putting the second battery. You know, you can buy gingerbread dye, go home, just press and cut it and make it. And do that. You can also make yours. You have children, I think they really enjoy when you make things from scratch. See, now, ladies and gentlemen, we enter Christmas. I was looking at the blinds here in IKEA and then I was thinking, they are not that cheap. We have other shops here in Norway with good blinds and not that expensive. So the blinds are something that I was a little bit disappointed. That is Nice. Oh, sorry. 5 krona for the small plants. Cheap. Ooh, I like this. It's beautiful, the textile. I really like it. Look at those stars. Guys, this is where I'm going to end this vlog. Yes, right here, because I'm downstairs. Oh my god, I saw this textile that IKEA is using to decorate for Christmas. I love it. This one right here, beautiful. Like, looking for a thumbnail. A lot of papers, probably very cheap. How much? Like 19 krona, 25 krona. The cheap. This one is 9 krona. 9 krona. Wow. I saw they have decorated the table with this. How much is this? 79 krona. It's nice. IKEA. I said I was not going to buy anything. That's what I said. Ooh. Okay. And inside there is called Billy Kroken. If you ask me, I will tell you that this Billy Kroken is not Billy. Billy Kroken in Norwegian. Billy Kroken in Norwegian means cheap corner. But you should have a lot of luck to find really cheap stuff here. You should have a lot of luck to find really cheap stuff here. I've been here so many times when I really need something. You only find them when you are not expecting to find them. And nevertheless, this is the cheap corner. I need something like this at home. I buy a lot of textile. I remember they used to, like, you take one bag and you fill it with a lot of textile and you pay like 99 krona. I don't think they have that deal anymore. Carpets. Yes. Yeah, the thing that I know you can find a very good price is the cupboard doors. Okay, let me see. I'm going to end the vlog here. Bye guys. I promise not to buy anything. I bought something, but I need it. I bought this. It's just 99 krona. Just. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Thank you. Remember to follow. And a very, very merry and beautiful holiday to you all. Bye guys. Bye.